Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear colleague, I'm really very grateful for MOH platform. It did provide me with a lot of very good clinically scientific material, from webinar to a lot of very eminent speaker from United States, from South America, from Australia, from Europe, with very interesting topic: venous thrombosis, DVT, lower limb edema, arterial disease, diabetic foot, venous ulcer, pelvic congestion syndrome. It really was very interesting topic for me and for my colleague. We used to discuss it every webinar, what we have learned, and the website is fantastic. It summarizes the webinar in a nutshell, and it gives us all the information that we need to serve our patient at the best international level. Thank you very much, Medical Online Hub, MOH, for its great support to all the vascular surgeon and the doctors that I know in the field of vascular surgery. I'm really very grateful, and I will encourage every doctor have learned and benefited from MOH to show their gratitude. We thank you very much, MOH, and please keep the excellent webinars coming and the excellent interactive topics with the clinical applications. And thank you very much, MOH. My name is Dr. Mohamed Omar Elfarok. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.